Ah, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Eight, 5, 7. Mac 11. Weapon. Life is like a motherfucking dream. Oh, with some loon. Guys. Good morning, Sapnap. I'm in class. Well, guess where I'm at? I'm at home. I'm at home. I'm not in class because I dropped out of college. But you know what? It don't matter because I'm a young entrepreneur. I'm a young entrepreneur, chap. And I maxed out my chest today. I'm a young mind. Anyways, I fucking hate algebra. Algebra is easy. You are stupid. Anyways, guys, I maxed out chest today. I know what my max chest, like bench press is. Algebra is easy. Guys, what's x plus 5 equals 10? What's x plus 5 equals 10? Yeah, 5. You guys are so smart today. You guys are so smart today. Alright, what's x plus 5 divided by 2 equals 10? It's 15. You stupid fuck saying 2.5, 7.5. It's 15. You times 2. 20. X plus 5 equals 20. X minus 5 minus 5. X equals 15. I can do that in my brain. In my brain. It's so large. It's so freakishly large. Party. Woo. Anyways, I kind of want to do math. Why do I want to do math? Maybe I should do algebra practice. Why do I kind of want to do math on stream? I hate math, but you can do all that. Let's do calculus. Shut the fuck up. What is this song? What is this song? Oh, I know this song. Anyways, I was like, this song is on my playlist. Play chess. What's up with this lighting? It's annoying me. Hey, don't do that. Beautiful morning. There we go, I fixed it. It was annoying me. See, you guys, you see the attention to detail I have? I noticed my lights were reflecting off my monitor. My lights were reflecting off my monitor. And you know what? I just care about you guys and your whatever. Also, guys, listen. This is the plan for the stream room, by the way, now. Now, I'm going to get one couch that's long, and it goes in L shape like this, right? And I'm removing these two things. I'm getting a longer thing here, like that. and then putting shelves on top, like here. That's the new plan. Long couch, white, modern, fancy couch. Because I think we need contrast, guys. This room is just gray and black, and it's sag. We need contrast. We're getting a white couch that goes an L shape, like boom, boom. These two are getting removed. This is getting extended high. That's getting removed. This is getting extended high. And then we're putting, like, moving this kind of deal above the couch here. Cloud couch? Nah, bro, I looked at that shit. I thought about it because I know cloud couches are kind of clouded. Yeah, I'm too poor. Too poor? Yeah. Okay, I'm too stingy. Alright, fine. I'm too stingy. I was like, bro, do I really want to spend $7K for a couch? That's stupid. I looked at it. No, I'm not spending $7K for a couch. Yeah, 7,000. I was like, nah. Anyways, yeah, 7K for a couch. It's crazy. 7,000. Wow. Yeah, it's pretty crazy actually. So that's why I said no cloud couch. 7K. I don't care about my stream setup that much. Does anyone ever sit on the couch anyway? Sometimes, yeah. Sometimes, like, I have people come in here and I'll do stuff on my computer and they'll sit on this couch. But this couch just isn't very comfortable. Like, that's the problem. It's not very comfortable. Also, it blends into it's the same color as, like, the walls and the floor. It's just, this room is just boring. It's like, and it's cluttered. All right, listen, guys. It's a little bit, it's cluttered and everything's the same color. So I'm adding contrast and I'm decluttering. That's the goal. That's the goal. It's way too cluttered and everything's the same color. So yeah. Yeah, I'm becoming an interior designer. Yeah. Anyways, need a good vibe. No good vibes pillow, guys. What about the bear brick? I'm getting that shit. Room makeover stream, dude. That would be so hard. It'll take so much time. I'd have to move this couch out. I'd have to do so much work. Oh, guys, I just work too hard. I just work way too hard. I just work so hard. I need to go on a vacation. Start the stream and it's empty. Oh, yeah, I have too many things. Fuck Mercedes. Anyways. Try being an influencer for a day. Yeah, guys, try being an influencer for a day and see how hard it is. You have any tips for being a streamer? Don't be a streamer. That's my tip. Don't be a streamer. My tip for you is make YouTube videos. Way better. Way better. That's my tip. Do YouTube. Do other things. Streaming. Why? Because this is why. This is why on YouTube, I feel like you're more in control of your own destiny on YouTube. Versus on streaming, you have to rely on other platforms or be friends with people to grow. Like if you just stream by yourself to no one, and there's no discovery. So you should go on YouTube where you are in control of your own destiny. Otherwise, on streaming, you have to like use like other platforms to do it. Anyways, you already have to use other platforms, or you have to be friends with people, and that's the truth. So, what's this lighting? Why? Whatever. Where are the YouTube vids at, little bro? They're in the fucking... One's being edited right now. Sugma. One is being edited right now. Don't disrespect me. One's being edited. One is ready to be recorded. Yeah. Yeah. Shut the fuck up. Anyways. What does parasocial mean? Don't get me started. The 130 hours of footage, yep. That one's being edited. It's now being edited. I talked to the editor, and now I just need to message the editor every few days and be like, yo, how's it going? Yo, how's it going? Whoa, I am hungry. Let me see where my... I was 9. Who's the editor? Can't tell you guys. I actually just don't know if the editor wants to be named, so I won't name them. And what if they suck? Like, I don't want to name them, and like I'm like, oh, I didn't like their work. I don't know. We gotta wait till the video is done. YouTube video every week? No, okay, listen. Guys, I'll set realistic expectations. If I was grinding YouTube, I'd want to post twice a week. Maybe 3 times. I mean, not twice a week. Whoa. Twice a month. Twice a month. And if I was going crazy, 2.5 times a month. You know what I'm saying? Oh my god, I'm getting... Remember when gaming YouTubers would upload twice a day? Who uploaded twice a day? Who's uploading twice a day, bro? Who? Twice Skeppy? Bro, but like I don't know. I don't know. I think Skeppy's videos are different. Skeppy's videos were different. Also, he doesn't upload twice a day anymore, but yeah, he was grinding. He was definitely grinding. Damn, that motherfucker. Where was he uploading twice a day? I'm trying to see where he was. Where? On what channel? I'm looking. On the Skep channel. Again. Kimminum. I want to see how many views does Skep have. Yeah, Skeppy's a grinder, bro. Like, Skeppy is a grinder. Like, bro's a grinder. I don't know what to say. If he's uploading twice a day, like, he's a grinder. That's hard. But also, you gotta take into account. Like the kinds of videos they are. Like, would Skip be able to upload, like, I guess maybe he would. Maybe he's just more about it than me, bro. Maybe he's just more about it than me. Maybe he is. I was gonna say, like, maybe, like, would he be able to upload, like, our kind of challenge videos twice a day? It's a lot harder. But maybe he could, bro. Maybe he just wants it more than me. I could see that for sure. Maybe you need to lock in. Maybe I do need to lock in. Maybe I do. Maybe I need to lock the fuck in, guys. Maybe I need to stop having all these excuses, huh? And lock the fuck in. Ooh, I'm hungry. One day or day one? One day or day one? One day or day one? Fuck it, baby. Let's get it. She already thinks I'm halfway there. Day one, guys. Alright, so what should we do? What should we do then? How do we start this, guys? How do we do this? That's it. I'm making a subtweet right now. I'm making a subtweet on my main. I need to start doing those once a day. Once a day subtweets have now officially started. GG. I did it. I did it. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. I don't give a fucking shit, guys. I'm going. I'm going and I'm not stopping. I don't care. What about Snap Stories? Oh, calm down, guys. One step at a time. One step at a time. One step at a time. Chill. You guys are doing too much. Didn't we have this planned? Yeah, but like... Yeah, but like... Yeah, but like, you know what I'm saying? And the sun come up. Baby steps, yeah. Baby steps. Baby steps. I'm so caught up. Baby steps, guys. Look. Boop, 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 boop. Baby steps. Baby steps are for babies. No. Baby steps can be for anyone. Because they're gonna judge me anyway. Is this 75 soft? What is that? What's a 75 hard? 75 soft. What is that shit? What is that? I actually don't know. Anyway. How are the cats? They're chilling, bro. Bring me down. 75 inches soft. What? What are you on about? Workout plus diet challenge, basically. Bruh. Went away, up and away, cause they gon' charge me anyway. Sapnap, can you do a pose for a while? It's bro, no, you fucking have lost your mind. I'm just gonna sit here. You have lost your goddamn mind. I'm just gonna sit here and pose for you while you draw, man. Just take a screenshot, bro. It's not that hard. You follow a diet, work out 2 times a day, journal, meditate. Fuck that. No, I've lost. You lost me at journal and meditate. I feel like meditating is a scam. No, like I feel like what does meditating do? It's a scam. It helps. Like how do I meditate? How do I meditate? I'm gonna meditate right now. How do I meditate? Cross my arms Close my eyes. Just deep breaths. They help me sometimes. All right, let me try. All right, I tried to meditate, and I just heard my stomach growling. So explain that. I can't meditate. I'm hungry. You can't meditate while you're hungry. Isn't that stupid? How are you going to tell me it's not a scam if I can't even meditate and if I'm hungry? I'm hungry. I'm a growing boy. I get hungry a lot. I ordered some food. I did. I ordered some food. What did I order? Chipotle. Chipotle. What are we eating today, motherfuckers? What am I eating? I'm eating some Chipotle. There's no we. All right, fine. I'll give you guys a bite because you guys seem to really enjoy that bite for some reason. It's you guys are like, you know. What's the plan for Kick? I don't know. I feel like I want to play some Minecraft. I kind of want to play some Minecraft, maybe. But I don't know. Maybe I'll change my mind and just play fucking Valorant. Maybe I'll play Siege. I installed it. I'm cooler. Overwatch, bro. I don't play Overwatch. Play Minecraft speedrun, guys. I'm not a speedrunner. I don't have like I get so bored speedrunning. I'm sorry, I do. I get so bored while speedrunning. I can't do it. I've tried. I get so bored. Like I just sit there and I'm like, why am I doing this? I'm like, why am I just restarting my Minecraft world over and over looking for a lava pit? Elon Musk. Yeah. Colorful uproar like I got neon guts. Play modded MC. I just play creative now. You're trolling. What happened to redecorating your office? What do you mean? What happened to redecorating my office? It doesn't happen overnight. We don't just wake up one day and just read. It doesn't. You know, we got to plan. We got to buy the things. We have to receive the things, and then we have to unbox the things. Like, what do you think is just gonna? It's gonna be redecorated that quick. Look through the dock. I could look through the dock. I could. Or I could sit here and complain about how hungry I am until my food eventually gets here, and then I can eat it. Thoughts? Anyways, let's fucking play the Wordle. Let's see if I can pop off again. Can I get it in 3? Okay, get it in 3. Emote only. I did it. Alright. I do. I always do the I do. Oh, fuck. Hmm. BRO. Bruh. broom. Oh, woo! BRO. Bro. No. 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 Brokey. I like the way. So you miss me. Oh, Chad, this is kind of hard. Bratty. Broppy. Huh. I like the way you miss me. Tell you miss Brocky. BRO, bro. I like the way you kiss me. I could tell you miss me. Bruh. Why are you question marking me, bro? There's no E, so there's no E. Alright, chat, we have to think about. So if it can't end in E, we know it can't end in E. What can it end in? It can end in X. It can end in X, S. Like, Bros. No. It can end in S. What could it end in? I like the way you kiss me. I could tell you miss me. Tell it this. It can end in S. Like, try all the S's. Brats. Broys. Brops. Bros. Brofs. Brogs. I don't know what Brogs is. I don't know why I did that. Okay, it doesn't end in S. VRO. I hate this. I don't know this word, chat. This is difficult. BRO. Brav. I don't like it when it's like this. Brogue. Go that at all. Oh God. Trying to think. Also, I am on my phone, but I'm not cheating. Okay. Alright. BROQ. Doesn't make sense, right? BROTY. No. Broth. There it is. DD. I found it. At all. Okay, that wasn't too bad, you know. That wasn't too bad. What's the other one? Let's play connections. Alright. P, chest, brown, grounds, fiction, green, head, chest. No. Dogs. Oh God. Okay, this is hard. I feel like this is hard. I feel like this one's hard. Grounds, lawn, field. Yes. I went away. Chest, dogs, head. Like body parts? Head. Oh, it's a question. Chief. Words that begin in C. Chest, chair, cocoa, chief. She took about. Okay, but shut your mouth. Huh, no. Doesn't make sense. Okay. Unchained. The chief is unchained. Leader. Director, fiction. Ooh, chair. Fiction, director. Head. Oh, director, head, chief. Chief, head, director. Chair? Yes! Okay. I don't understand this one. Okay, I don't understand this one. I don't really understand this one, guys. Hazel, cocoa, brown, but it's not that. It wasn't one off. Unchained, dogs, pea, cocoa, hazel. I don't understand this one, cat. I don't really understand this one. I'm speaking to myself, like, Guys, I don't understand this one. Chest. We can also be things like 4-letter words. Or like... These emotes are also not helping me. I thought I could get some information from these emotes, but I just can't. Still get Corey. Purgatory. Barely been eaten. Okay. Why putting a skull emoji, bro? Okay, hazel. How's a hazel brown cocoa not? How's that not? Those are all brown. And dogs are brown too. Some of them are brown. What is emote? Film. Fiction. It's fake. It's fake. Okay, listen. Yeah, I need yays and nays. Okay. Fiction. I almost feel like just like fiction. That's one of them that goes into the category. Okay, fiction. Yeah, yay. Okay. Fiction? Alright, guys, chat. Unchained. I like Fiction Unchained. Fiction Unchained. I think obviously those two probably go together, right? Like, yeah. Fiction Unchained. What are the other two? Bang. Wow, which ones went away? Oh! Okay, Fiction Unchained. Oh, Dogs. Dogs. Wait, is it a movie? Is it a movie? Fiction Unchained Dogs? What dogs? What dog movie? Chat, what dog movie? What dog movie? What dog movie? What dog movie? What's the dog's name? Is it Coco? Is the dog's name Coco? I don't know the dog movie. Is the dog's name Coco or is it Hazel P? What the fuck's the dog's name? What the fuck's the dog's name? Okay, dog's name is not Coco. Is the dog's name Hazel, guys? Is the dog's name Hazel? This is stupid. Like, okay. Is the dog's name P? It's P, isn't it? Motherfucker. Is it Brown? Chat, I'm gonna fail. Is it Brown? Second words in Tarantino. Hazel, Coco, P, Chesic. What? That was stupid. Word for nut? I'm gonna. Sorry. Man, I think this shit is pissing me off, and I don't know now, but I'll know in a month, because I'm... Either way, I'm playing like... That was really annoying. In a while. Alright, what's the next one we can do? It's been so anxious. Oh, oops. What's the other one? Where where it's like you're like looking for the words within the thing? Strands. I'll leave you. Man, I think this shit is pissing me off, and I don't know now, but I'll know. Alright. In closing. Seal. I'm playing like Nintendo. Best in closing. Mm. Mm. Um. Do it anymore. What are you guys saying? What is this theme? In closing? Always in closing? I'm not very good at this one. Oh, I got one. Wait, I supposed to search. He's supposed to search. Is that? Oh, you see Cheers? Yeah, that's definitely it. So it's IS or SI sign 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 off. Why is that not one? Drags. Wait, drag. Where do you see rage? Yeah, rage. Oh yeah, I can get a hint. I've had a hint for how long? Regards. I did sign it. Sign. Oh, sincere. I spell sincerely. Yeah! I'm the GOAT. GG. Okay. Now what? Now what? Crossword Mini? I guess we could do. Oh, we could do Foodguessr. I'm down for Foodguessr. Whatever I want. Play. Alright. Eggplant, garlic, tahini, lemon juice. This is Lebanese. Come on, baby. You know who the fuck I am about my food. Alright, what is this, guys? What the fuck am I looking at? Come on. Sausages, flour, baking powder, salt, pepper, milk, vegetable oil. It's definitely Europe. It's some fucking European ass food. Yeah, I guess I'm down for a German. It could definitely be like a Swedish. I'm gonna go Sweden actually. Warm fuck Germany. Oh my god. I don't know. What's near Germany, bro? What's near Germany? Poland? Alright, bro. The colds and she all over me nasty. Going Motherfucker. What is this? This looks good. I like what this is giving. Oh yeah, just to pick me up. Looks like paella is not paella, bro. Taiwan. Someone's spamming it, so I'm gonna believe them. Come on, chatter. You fucking rat bastard. Not only is it not right, it's ice cold. And I was hypnotized. Bro, where is this? I don't even care. I'm just Brazil. How is Mexico cold? Like they're kind of close to each other. All right, let's go back. Let's try again. American United. What? No way they're giving up. No way that's French. Like, stop it. Stop. 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 Just stop it. Just stop it. Just stop. Just stop. That's crazy. Shut the fuck up. I've had this before. What is this? I've had this before. Chat, what is this? I've had this before. I've had this before. I've had this many times, actually. I think this is like... I think this is like... This might be a Greek thing. Or like, you know, around there. Let's try Greece. Ice cold. Lebanon? Lebanese. Alright, bro. Portugal. Alright, bro. Like, just fuck you. It's Korean? Nasty ass fucking United Kingdom ass food. Alright. Try again. Tofu, soy sauce. Alright. Listen, because it's tofu, it makes me think it's like an Asian thing. Like Asian countries use tofu a lot more than other people. I would guess China. That was what I was thinking. Bang! What I'm fucking talking about, baby. What is this? Bamboo shoots. Is this Japanese? Motherfucker! Korean? Ah! What is it? Is it China again? Motherfucker, bro. Oh, that looks good. Well, what happened? I'm going full cam. I fucked up something. We have to start over. Actually, that was actually an accident. I know that seems sus. Alright, last one, chat. I don't know what this is. Dutch Malay sauces. Who the fuck knows what this is? Because I certainly do not. Everyone's saying Peru. I see multiple Perus. Come on. You guys suck ass. How the fuck are you... I'm over this. I'm over that game. You guys suck. You guys suck. Stretching feels good. Alright. Well, on that note, since you guys suck and are throwing my games, I'm switching to Kick. Let me get the link for you guys. The rest of the stream's going to be on Kick. It's going to be a little bit shorter of a stream today. I got things to do. I have meetings and such. So this will be for the next few hours. So yeah. come hang, and I'll see you guys there.